Hello, today we will guide you through how to change language on Life360 app. If you want Life360 to display in a different language, the important thing to know is that this change is usually managed through your phone's system settings rather than inside the app itself. So in this walkthrough, we'll go through the exact path you can use to update the language setting that affects the app experience. To begin, open your phone's Settings app. This is where your device stores system preferences like display, notifications, privacy, and language options. If you're not sure where Settings is located, you can usually find it on your home screen, in your app drawer, or by swiping down and using your phone's search feature. Once Settings is open, stay on the main Settings page. Next, tap on the search bar at the top of the Settings screen. This is the fastest way to find the correct menu, especially since Settings layouts can vary slightly depending on your phone model or software version. Using the search bar helps you avoid scrolling through multiple categories. In the search field, type the word language. As you type, your phone should begin showing related results. This may include options such as language, languages, and input, app language, or a similar setting. The exact wording may be a little different depending on the device, but you're looking for the language-related menu. Now tap on the language option that appears in the search results. This will open the section where your device handles language preferences. On some phones, this may lead directly to a list of available languages. On others, you may first see a broader settings page and then need to enter the language section from there. Either way, continue until you reach the screen where languages can be chosen. From there, select your preferred language from the list. Choose the language you want to use for your device and, in turn, for supported apps like Life360. After you tap your selection, the phone may apply the change immediately, or it may ask you to confirm before switching. Give it a moment while the system updates. Once the language has been changed, you can return to the Life360 app and check that the new language is now being displayed. If the change doesn't appear right away, try closing and reopening the app. In some cases, restarting the phone can also help apply the update fully. That's it. You've successfully changed the language setting for Life360 through your phone settings.